to give what they call error analysis questions. So they're going to give you maybe two people's work. One of them should be correct. The other one's going to have at least one error in it. It might have more. So some people I saw actually worked this problem themselves and found the answer, so they at least knew who was right. As it turns out, Taylor is the one who's right, and Jamie is wrong. But even if you don't get to that point, you can just read these statements and see. Even knowing that doesn't tell you the right answer. You'd still have to pick between B and C. So sometimes you just need to look at the reason and determine if that's correct or not. So let's look at A. Jamie is right because the 5 in the numerator and the 5 in the denominator will simplify to 1. So they're looking at this right here, and this statement is saying, oh yeah, that 5 and that 5 will cancel. No, that is not what happens. And I've had very few people actually try to do that when they've solved their own problems, but I had a lot of people pick A on this problem. Remember that 5 is a different factor than 2x plus 5. So this is a factor all by itself, 2x plus 5. And so part of that factor can't cancel with the 5. So A is incorrect. Let's look at B. Taylor is right because 1 times 2x plus 5 equals 5 times x plus 3 is one method to solve a proportion. Well, if you started this problem, you would have put, oh, I see x plus 3, and I see 2x plus 5. You would have put that, both of those in the numerator, and you would have done that on both sides. And then if you look at this side right here, the x plus 3 cancels, so you're left with 2x plus 5 times 1. And then on this side, the 2x plus 5 cancels, and you're left with 5 times x plus 3, which is, in fact, exactly what this is. So that one seems to be correct. Let's go ahead and check the other ones to make sure that they're incorrect. Jamie is wrong because from step 2 to step 3, she should have added x to both sides. So we're looking at from here to here. We should have added x to both sides. No, that's incorrect because what she did was she should have subtracted x from both sides, right? And you can actually see that because they put the minus x right here. So what they did in this step is they actually subtracted x and they subtracted this 1. You see that right there? So they kind of did two things in one step, but the reason that this one is wrong is because she should not have added. She should have subtracted, which is what she did. So it's that word that makes that one wrong. So C is incorrect. And then D, Taylor is wrong because from step 3 to step 4, he should have divided both sides by -10. So they're talking about from here to here. And no, he shouldn't have divided by -10. He should have divided by 3, which is in fact what he did. So that statement is incorrect, which makes D incorrect. So B was our answer right there. If you're doing corrections on this, you need some kind of work supporting that B is the answer. I will not accept if all you do is circle B.